Paris, the city of love, light, and unforgettable memories. But what if you only had 24 hours to experience it all? In this vlog, I'll take you through the ultimate one-day adventure in Paris, from sunrise to midnight. We'll discover iconic landmarks, hidden corners, delicious food, and that magical Parisian energy that makes this city so special. Whether you're planning a quick stopover or dreaming of a whirlwind trip, here's how to make every single moment count. Let's go live our best Paris day together. 1. Bonjour Paris! Sunrise at the Eiffel Tower. There's no better way to start a Paris day than watching the sunrise at the Eiffel Tower. As the morning light paints the sky in pink and gold, this iconic landmark feels almost like it's yours alone. The city is still quiet, the streets calm, and the air carries that Parisian charm. Whether you're snapping photos or just soaking in the view, it's a moment that sets the tone for an unforgettable day. A timeless symbol of romance and adventure. What better way to say Bonjour Paris than here? 2. Croissant and coffee, the perfect Parisian breakfast. Next stop, breakfast. And in Paris, that means freshly baked croissants and a café au lait at a local boulangerie. The buttery layers, the warm aroma, and the simple pleasure of sipping coffee at a corner cafe. It's a ritual that Parisians treasure. For just a few euros, you get more than food. You get the rhythm of Parisian life. Watching locals hurry to work or linger over conversation, you feel part of the city. It's quick, it's delicious, and it's authentically Paris. Nothing fancy, just a simple breakfast with a big Parisian heart. 3. A stroll along the Seine, bridges and bookstalls. A walk along the Seine is like stepping into a storybook. The water glistens, the bridges arch gracefully, and the famous bouquinistes, those green bookstalls, line the riverbank with treasures old and new. You'll pass under centuries-old bridges, discover second-hand books, postcards, and artwork, and watch Paris go about its morning. For free, you can soak in the city's atmosphere, see iconic landmarks, and capture some of the most photogenic moments. The Seine is the heartbeat of Paris, always moving, always enchanting. No matter how many times you visit, it never loses its magic. 4. Notre Dame and Ile de la Cité, history in the heart of Paris. Number 24-hour trip is complete without a visit to Notre Dame. Though under restoration, its grandeur and Gothic details still take your breath away. Standing on Ile de la Cité, you're surrounded by centuries of history, the very birthplace of Paris. The bells, the gargoyles, the timeless architecture. It's more than a landmark. It's a symbol of resilience and faith. Stroll around the island, enjoy the charming streets, and let yourself feel the history that shaped this city. It's humbling and inspiring all at once. In Paris, history isn't locked away. It lives in every stone. 5. Louvre in a flash, Mona Lisa and masterpieces. The Louvre is vast, too vast for one day, but even a quick visit is worth it. Head straight to the Mona Lisa, smile at her mysterious gaze, and then wander through halls filled with masterpieces. Ancient sculptures, Renaissance art, Egyptian relics, the world's treasures under one roof. It's overwhelming, yet thrilling, to see so much beauty in one place. Even if you spend just an hour, the Louvre gives you a sense of Paris's rich, artistic soul. In 24 hours, this glimpse is enough to make you want to return again and again. 6. Parisian lunch, bistro dining. Like a local lunch in Paris is more than a meal. It's an experience. Tuck into a cozy bistro for a classic dish, perhaps steak frites, onion soup, or a fresh baguette sandwich. With a glass of wine or sparkling water, you'll quickly see why the French take dining seriously. It's not rushed, it's savoured. Conversations linger, flavours are celebrated, and even the simplest meal feels special. In Paris, food tells a story, and each bite feels like a page in a novel. A Parisian lunch recharges you for the adventure ahead, deliciously and authentically. 7. Montmartre magic. Artists, streets, and Sacré-Cœur. Views. Montmartre is where Paris feels like a painting. Cobblestone streets wind past artists sketching portraits, cafes buzzing with life, and hidden staircases that climb to Sacré-Cœur Basilica. From the top, the view of the city is breathtaking. Paris stretches endlessly beneath you. It's artistic, bohemian, and bursting with charm. Whether you're watching painters at Place du Tertre or simply wandering, Montmartre is pure magic. It's here that you feel the spirit of old Paris, the city of artists, dreamers, and romantics. No whirlwind trip is complete without this touch of inspiration. 8. Shopping and style, from Champs-Élysées to hidden boutiques. Paris is fashion's heartbeat, and even in 24 hours you can get a taste. Stroll the Champs-Élysées for big names and glowing shop fronts, then duck into side streets for chic boutiques with Parisian flair. Whether you're splurging on designer pieces or just window shopping, the energy here is contagious. The style, the elegance, the sense of glamour. It's everywhere. And it's not just about clothes. It's about feeling part of a world where fashion is art. Parisian shopping is less about what you buy and more about how it makes you feel. 9. Seine River Cruise, golden hour glow. As the sun begins to set, board a Seine River Cruise. The city glows golden as you drift past the Louvre, the Musée d'Orsay, and the Eiffel Tower sparkling in the distance. It's a moment of calm after a day of adventure. The reflections on the water, the soft music, and the gentle pace. It feels like Paris is revealing its most romantic side. For just an hour, you're part of a moving postcard, watching the city light up for the night ahead. It's pure Paris magic, wrapped in golden hour glow. 10. Paris by night. Lights, wine, and the sparkling Eiffel Tower. End your whirlwind day with Paris by night. Find a cosy wine bar, sip a glass of Bordeaux, and let the evening hum around you. Then head back to the Eiffel Tower, where every hour it bursts into a dazzling light show. The city feels alive, buzzing with laughter, music, and that unmistakable Parisian charm. It's the perfect finale, romantic, inspiring, unforgettable. In just 24 hours, you've lived a story filled with beauty, culture, and wonder. And the best part? Paris will always be waiting for your return. And that's how to spend 24 unforgettable hours in Paris. From sunrise at the Eiffel Tower to sparkling nights by the Seine, this city proves that even one day can create memories for a lifetime. Which moment would be your favourite? Sunrise, shopping, or the night lights? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved this Paris adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jasmin's Travel Channel for more inspiring journeys around the world. See you on the next adventure.